Today our activity is country names from A to Z letters. What is your name?
My name is Vedanshi.
Which class you are studying?
I am studying in first class.
What is your school name?
My school's name is Dipti English Medium School.
What are you saying now?
Country names:
A for
Australia,
B for
Brazil,
C for
China,
D for
Denmark,
E for
Egypt,
F for
France,
G for
Germany,
H for
Hungary,
I for
India,
J for
Japan,
K for
Kenya,
L for
Lebanon,
M for
Mexico,
N for
Nepal,
O for
Oman,
P for
Portugal,
Q for
Qatar,
R for
Russia,
S for
Spain,
T for
Turkey,
U for
UK,
V for
Vietnam,
W for
no country,
X for
no country,
Y for
amount,
Z for
Zimbabwe.